Welcome back, YouTubers. This is part 2 of the Cobra build. So in this episode is really just a wee bit of engine work, fitting a front end accessory drive to the engine, and I'll be mocking up the intake manifolds and other stuff that I'm doing. So yeah, here we go. There's my LS3, and as you can see, there's no coils showing up, and there's no intake on that. I bought a long block without any of the stuff on the front, so no water pump or anything. And I bought these beautiful Holley covers, and so that, behind there's obviously, underneath there's all the coil of the plugs, and so that's that. I've also painted the valley cover black, so I've done that. Let's just go across here, and what I've done is I've bought a Holley. Sorry, my gimbal's all over the place. I've bought this Holley intake with you can see there I've got Holley fuel rails on there, and what looks like a normal air filler, but inside there is, if I can get rid of that, is the throttle body, and so that kind of hides that, makes it look old school. So that's going to sit on top of that, and just look, hopefully this will look good. I've also got a Holley front end kit for this, which is just fantastic looking. I'll probably insert a picture of the Holley stuff in this video. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Okay, so I've put everything on the bench here. There's quite a lot of stuff. That's the water pump in that box there to the right. So there's everything in here. I'll just give you a quick. So this is the one I've got with the power steering. I've not got there's another one you can get with aircon, but I'm obviously not needing that. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to fit today. So I've got a balancer to fit. There's loads of different nuts and bolts and everything. I'm really looking forward to it. So what I've done this morning, I didn't film myself doing it, was I fitted the flywheel just so I could lock it in place. I've got a wee sort of lock tool thing. See that thing there? So I got that. So, but what I'm going to do is, because I'm going to have some music on, I'm just going to record myself, and then I'll do a voiceover, and I'll probably speed it up as well at certain parts. So yeah, here we go. Right, engine's done. I'm really happy with that. The Holley front end kit is so nice, the way it's all kind of tucked in, nice and neat. So yeah, I like the way the intake is as well. It kind of looks old school still, but you know, retaining the modern fuel injection. So I've put a cover over it anyway, and it's in the corner for the moment. So the next episode is going to be the clutch and transmission. Now, I'm just going to very briefly touch on this. And when I was filming myself initially, and I was using my phone, and then I bought myself just a kind of cheap camera because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep going. I done a quick test with this camera and it was fine. So I ended up, I got steamed in and started using it, and I done quite a lot of filming with it. And then when I put the memory card into the computer and downloaded it into my program, all the footage was rubbish. It was all shaky, and the sound was all warbly and everything. It was just, I was so annoyed with myself. So what I've had to do is I've run it through the AI enhancement and things on the editing program I use, which has helped some of it. And also I've done stuff on my phone as well at some point. So I've put everything together. But like I say, it definitely improves. I get another camera and it's much better, and so it's all good in the end. Anyway, I really appreciate everybody who's watching, people who's commenting, sending me messages. It's actually quite humbling. I just kind of thought I would put myself out there, and sometimes you do that and it's a bit daunting. So anyway, that's the end of it. So the next episode, like I say, is clutch and transmission. Hopefully you enjoy it, and thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.